Audio Jungle.
Hello friends, so I've got my hands on this mobile phone holder by Bobo. ये BM4 वेरिएंट है और जैसे कि हम देख पा रहे हैं इट्स मार्क्ड एट 2199 rupees and I bought it for 1199 from the official Bobo website. The link is in my description. As labeled, it's designed in USA and country of origin is China. So let's open the box and see what we have got here. I'm gonna remove this outer cover. Open the box. So first we have this main unit. Let's keep it aside. Second, we have this rear view mirror mount, a 32 mm diameter buckle for bike handlebar, and two additional spacers. Okay, this one is 25 mm diameter and this one is 22 mm diameter. One hex key, one very beautiful Bobo keyring. This is a damper tape. And we have here the installation manual, the instructions, okay, let's keep it aside. Also we have got this Bobo bike mount gear. Okay, this is for additional warranty, 1 year physical damage protection for 199 and 2 years physical damage protection plus 2 year extended warranty for 389, but this can only be purchased only within 30 days of the invoice date. Okay, let's keep it aside. So let's start with the main unit. This is the without charger variant. You can also order the one with charger for few extra bucks. This weighs around 200 grams and it comes in 4 different colors. Here we have silicone mat on the main body and also on the claws for better grip and stability to the mobile phone. We can adjust the claws by rotating the knob in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction, as it can fit all mobile phones from screen size 4 inches to 7 inches easily. Now at the back we have shock absorbing damper. Let's put this buckle inside it. You can adjust it like this. Now it is fully 360-degree rotation. Also it is shock absorbing. This is a 32 mm diameter for handlebar. You can also add these two respectively. One is 25 mm and another one is 22 mm as per your suitability. Also, I have made one more video on how to install this on a motorcycle. Visit my page for more. Thank you.
Audio Jungle.